In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Flow videos. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your video files land safely on your computer without any guesswork. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Flow. In the results, look for the official site and open it. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page before you proceed. Avoid obvious sponsored results that don't look right, and make sure the page loads with the secure lock icon next to the address, so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the official Google Flow site, click the Create with Flow button. This takes you into the main workspace, where projects and generated videos live. If the button isn't immediately visible, it's often near the top of the page. A quick scroll usually brings it into view. Now, move to the top right corner of the screen and click your name. That opens your account menu and gives you quick access to the places where your content is stored. From that menu, click My Library. This is where you can see all the videos generated so far in this account, organized in one place. Give the page a second to load, then browse through the thumbnails and titles to find the video you want to save. If you have similar versions, the most recent items usually appear at the top, which can help you pick the correct one quickly. Alternatively, if you're already looking at a specific video, maybe it's open from a recent project view, simply select and click on that video. Opening it directly takes you to the same place you need to be for downloading without going through the full library view. With your chosen video open, look again to the top right corner and click the download icon. It typically looks like a downward arrow. As soon as you click it, the download should begin. Your browser will either save the file to your default downloads folder or ask where you want to put it, depending on your settings. If nothing seems to happen, glance at your browser's download indicator or check the downloads panel to confirm progress. That's it. You searched for Google Flow, opened the correct site, clicked Create with Flow, used your name in the top right to access My Library, optionally opened a specific video, and then used the download icon to save it. If the icon is hard to find, try maximizing your window so the top right controls are fully visible. Thanks for watching and enjoy your saved videos.